Okay, look at this. We're unboxing the Monster High Skulltimate Secrets Garden Mysteries Venus McFlytrap set. This packaging is so elaborate. Look at all these details. First, we've got this awesome ornate mirror key. Let's see what it unlocks. There we go, the gates are open. Inside, we have all these mysterious blind bags. Let's start revealing the surprises. Look at these. We've got some adorable gardening-themed accessories. A little translucent watering can and a rose. Next bag, and it's a stunning green leaf print dress and some matching accessories. And check out these shoes. The detail on the vines and flowers is incredible. We even get a cute little leaf-shaped bag and some jewelry to complete the look. Now for the main event. Let's get Venus out of her display. She is absolutely gorgeous. Her hair is a mix of pink and green braids, and her face screening is perfect with those tiny fangs. Her outfit is totally on point for the Garden Mysteries theme. This set is a total 10 out of 10 for any collector.